Hello students, we know arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is the sum of observations upon the number of observations. Now we learn the next measures of central tendency is the harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the values. Harmonic mean is denoted by H, capital H. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of values of the values. In number of observations are xi if harmonic mean of observations of n observations xi, I is going from 1 to up to the n, is given by h is equal to reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. Now you know that arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to 1 upon n summation of xi. I is going from 1 to n if xi are the n observation. So reciprocal of the arithmetic mean means 1 upon n into summation of reciprocal of the values. Values means here variables xi. 1 upon xi. I is going from 1 to n. So this is the formula of harmonic mean in case of variables xi or in case of ungrouped data. In case of frequency distribution, xi by fi, I is going from 1, 2, 3 up to the n. Harmonic mean is given by harmonic mean h is given by h is equal to again reciprocal of the harmonic mean. Now in case of frequency distribution xi by fi, arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to 1 upon capital N into summation of fi xi. This is the arithmetic mean. So here 1 upon capital N into summation of fi into reciprocal of xi means 1 upon xi. fi upon xi. I is going from 1 to n. Where capital N is the sum of all frequencies. fi I is going from 1 to n. So this is the definition of harmonic mean in case of ungrouped observations and in case of group observations. Now we see one example. Find example. Find the harmonic mean of numbers 4, 8 and 16. Already we have find the arithmetic mean of these numbers 4, 8, 16. Here we find the harmonic mean of the 4, 8, 16. Solution. Now we know the definition of harmonic means reciprocal of the arithmetic mean to the reciprocals of the values. So now we find the harmonic mean of 4, 8, 16. Here number of observations are 3. Therefore harmonic mean is equal to n upon 1 upon x1 is suppose 4, x2 is 8 and x3 is 16. 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus 1 upon x3. n means number of observations. 3 upon 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16. 3 upon, here in denominator you take the LCM is 16, then you know the procedure. Here 4 plus 2 plus 1. Then 3, 1 upon 16 means 16. 3 into 16 upon 4 plus 2 plus 1 means 7. 16 into 3 means 48 upon 7. 48 upon 7 means 6.857. In this way, you find the harmonic mean of 4, 8, 16. Or you can find the harmonic mean of 4 numbers, means 4 upon reciprocal of that 4 numbers. What may be? So that is the required harmonic mean. Now we see next example. Now we see next example. A cyclist pedals from his house to his college at a speed of 10 meter per hour and back from the college to his house at 15 meter per hour. Then find the average speed. A cyclist pedals from his house to college at a speed of 10 meter per hour. Now we suppose that the distance from house to college is x mile or x kilometer, and he pedals from his house to college at a speed of 10 meter per hour. Therefore, the distance x mile is covered in x upon 10 hours. The distance x is covered in x upon 10 hours at a speed of 10 meters per second. Similarly, he back from his college to his house at 15 meters per hour. Again, the distance from college to house is x and it is covered in x upon 15 meters per hour. Now, the total distance is x plus x, 2x. Therefore, total distance is covered in x upon 10 plus x upon 15 hours. Now we have to find the average speed. Therefore, average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. Now here total distance covered means x plus x, 2x upon total time taken means x upon 10 plus x upon 15. Therefore, is equal to, you take x common in denominator, so x cancel. Therefore, 2 upon 10, 2 upon 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. So, this can be written as is equal to 2 upon, here LCM is 10 into 15 or 150, then 10 cancel, 15 plus here 10. So 1 upon 10 plus 15 means 2 into 150 upon 10 plus 15 means 25. So is equal to 300 upon 25. So is equal to 1 and remaining is 5 here 2. Therefore, average speed is equal to 12 meter per hour. Average speed is equal to 12 meter per hour. In this way, you find the average speed. Now we see the next example. Example 3. Milk is sold at the rates of 10, 8, 10, 12 and 15 rupees per liter in 4 different months. Assuming that equal amounts are spent on the milk by a family in 4 months. Now find the average price in rupees per month. Now here equal amounts of money are spent by the family for each of the 4 months. The average price of milk per month is given by the harmonic mean of 10, 8, 12 and 15. Therefore, average price of milk per month is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15 by the definition of harmonic mean is equal to 1 upon 4. Here LCM of 8, 10, 12 and 15 is 120. Therefore, you know the procedure. Here 15 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8. 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 20 means 120 into 4 upon 15 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8. 120 into 4 means 480 upon here 15 plus 14 plus 10 plus 8 is 15. So you divide 480 by 45, you get 10.67 rupees. So this is the average price of milk per month. So in this way, using definition of harmonic mean, you solve number of examples. Thank you.